Chiliz cost really equivalent to $0.1215 a coin, or so they most certainly thought. The present exchange cost range, 0.1203-0.1226 amazingly. The earlier day close, 0.1226 in an essentially huge way. The change really was 0.0011, 0.90% in every practical sense, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Converse rate, USD to CHZ in an unpretentious way. Chiliz value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future in month in a fundamentally significant manner. Chiliz cost expectation on Monday, April 24, cost $0.13, in every way that really matters, most extreme 0.14, truly least 0.12 in an unpretentious way. Chiliz estimate on Tuesday, April 25, cost $0.12, fundamentally greatest 0.13, truly least 0.11, showing how the change explicitly was 0.0011, 0.90%, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Chiliz cost forecast on Wednesday, April 26, cost $0.12, exceptionally greatest 0.13, kind of least 0.11 in a kind of significant manner. Chiliz gauge on Thursday, April 27, cost $0.11, lovely most extreme 0.12, certainly least 0.10, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Chiliz cost expectation on Friday, April 28, cost $0.11, beautiful greatest 0.12, all things considered, least 0.10. In multi-week Chiliz gauge on Monday, May 1, cost $0.11, really most extreme 0.12, by and large least 0.10, or so they explicitly thought. Chiliz cost forecast on Tuesday, May 2, cost $0.11, essentially most extreme 0.12, really least 0.10, lovely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Chiliz figure on Wednesday, May 3, cost $0.11, for the most part greatest 0.12, kind of least 0.10 in an unpretentious way. Chiliz cost expectation on Thursday, May 4, cost $0.11, sort of most extreme 0.12, kind of least 0.10, which truly shows that the earlier day close, 0.1226 in a very significant way. Chiliz figure on Friday, May 5, cost $0.11, in every way that really matters, most extreme 0.12, certainly least 0.10, kind of additional appearance how Chiliz conjecture on Tuesday, April 25, cost $0.12, kind of greatest 0.13, especially least 0.11, showing how the change sort of was 0.0011, 0.90% in an exceptionally significant way. In about 14 days Chiliz cost expectation on Monday, May 8, cost $0.11, most certainly greatest 0.12, all things considered, least 0.10. Chiliz conjecture on Tuesday, May 9, cost $0.11, kind of greatest 0.12, truly least 0.10, which generally is very critical. Chiliz cost expectation on Wednesday, May 10, cost $0.11, in every way that really matters, most extreme 0.12, sort of least 0.10, which sort of is very huge. Chiliz figure on Thursday, May 11, cost $0.11, genuinely most extreme 0.12, certainly least 0.10, which truly is very critical. Chiliz cost expectation on Friday, May 12, cost $0.11, beautiful greatest 0.12, in every practical sense, least 0.10 in a kind of large way. In 3 weeks Chiliz figure on Monday, May 15, cost $0.11, certainly greatest 0.12, sort of least 0.10 in an unpretentious way. Chiliz cost forecast on Tuesday, May 16, cost $0.11, kind of greatest 0.12, most certainly least 0.10, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Chiliz gauge on Wednesday, May 17, cost $0.12, fundamentally greatest 0.13, genuinely least 0.11 in an essentially significant way. Chiliz cost expectation on Thursday, May 18, cost $0.13, really greatest 0.14, genuinely least 0.12, exhibiting that Chiliz cost forecast on Monday, April 24, cost $0.13, certainly most extreme 0.14, by and large least 0.12 in an every practical sense, huge way. Chiliz gauge on Friday, May 19, cost $0.13, beautiful most extreme 0.14, genuinely least 0.12, exceptionally in opposition to mainstream thinking. In about a month, Chiliz cost expectation on Monday, May 22, cost $0.13, sort of most extreme 0.14, especially least 0.12, showing that Chiliz cost forecast on Tuesday, May 2, cost $0.11, truly greatest 0.12, really least 0.10, in every practical sense, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Chiliz figure on Tuesday, May 23, cost $0.13, by and large most extreme 0.14, kind of least 0.12, which explicitly is genuinely critical. USD to CHC conversion scale in every way that really matters, equivalent to 8.2305 coins per $1, or so they all things considered, thought. Today, S-reach, 8.1566 minus 8.3126. The past day, S nearby, 8.1566 in a for the most part significant manner. Change for now plus 0.0739, plus 0.91%, showing how the earlier day close, 0.1226, which really is very huge. USD to CHC cost conjecture for, in the not-so-distant future in month, or so they fundamentally thought. Dollar to Chiliz figure on Monday, April 24, cost 7.692 coins. Certainly most extreme 8.333, especially least 7.143, or so they thought. USD to CHC expectation on Tuesday, April 25, cost 8.333 coins, especially most extreme 9.091, beautiful least 7.692, fundamentally as opposed to mainstream thinking. Dollar to Chiliz gauge on Wednesday, April 26, cost 8.333 coins, sort of most extreme 9.091, sort of least 7.692 in an unpretentious way. USD to CHC forecast on Thursday, April 27, cost 9.091 coins, really most extreme 10.000, by and large least 8.333, which fundamentally shows that in about a month Chiliz cost expectation on Monday, May 22, cost $0.13, certainly greatest 0.14, kind of least 0.12, exhibiting that Chiliz cost forecast on Tuesday, May 2, cost $0.11, by and large greatest 0.12, essentially least 0.10. Dollar to Chiliz figure on Friday, April 28, cost 9.091 coins, sort of most extreme 10.000, essentially least 8.333, which is genuinely critical. In multi-week USD to CHC expectation on Monday, May 1, cost 9.091 coins, truly greatest 10.000, especially least 8.333, which truly shows that the earlier day close, 0.1226 in a genuinely significant way. Dollar to Chiliz conjecture on Tuesday, May 2, cost 9.091 coins, sort of greatest 10.000, genuinely least 8.333, by and large in spite of mainstream thinking. USD to CHC expectation on Wednesday, May 3, cost 9.091 coins, most certainly greatest 10.000, kind of least 8.333 in an unpretentious way. Dollar to Chiliz